Once installed in your asset, HVTS is designed to sit there and quite happily survive the process conditions for the design life of that asset. But as a client, you want to be able to monitor that performance. That can be done through the traditional internal inspections. So every outage opportunity, every shutdown, when the vessel is cleaned and made safe for entry, you can go inside and check the condition of the HVTS. You can measure the thickness to verify there's been no change, and you can visually inspect the surface to see if there's any signs of any damage. In addition to that, IGS can also support customers with external UT inspection to verify the internal integrity of the cladding system online. Depending upon the asset, etc., we can work with the customers to deliver that inspection so they can do inspections during the running of the asset or set up continuous monitoring systems so they have sight of the internal quality of the application at all times during the operation of the equipment.